What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Bowser from Mario Kart. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his snout with a semicircle line at this point, and I'm gonna make a turn down to the middle of his mouth, and I'm gonna make a semicircle line at this point up to the side of the first point right there, and I'm gonna make a turn to the right and down, and then on the outer point of the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down and a semicircle turn back up. And from the middle point of the mouth here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line down to the right, and I'm gonna extend from the middle point. From the middle point of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down and to the right, and I'm gonna extend it to the corner of the mouth and turn it up. Now from this point, I'm gonna draw the cheek with a semicircle line out and turn it downwards at that corner, and I'm gonna make a turn back to the left. And from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front of the mouth and another curved line right there. And I'm gonna extend it to the middle point of the lower jaw and up right there. And from this point, I'm gonna draw another semicircle line to the front and up and turn it to the right with a curved line. Then I'm gonna make a slight turn down at the corner and to the back. And from this point, I'm going to draw a semicircle line and turn it upwards to the corner of the mouth. Now for his eye, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line diagonally up to the right, and I'm going to make a turn down and a sharp turn back and out and sharp turn back, and I'm going to extend it all the way back to the middle of the eye and turn it down. Now at this point, I'm going to draw a curved line right there, and at the outer corner of the eye I'm going to add a line up and curve it back to the eyebrow. Inside of the eye, I'm going to add a circular shape at this corner and a smaller circle at this corner and a black circle in the middle. Now on the left side of the eyebrow, I'm going to copy the same shape, and I'm going to make a semicircle turn at this corner and another semicircle line at that point. And at the side of the eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the right eyebrow. And for his teeth, I'm gonna add some triangular shape at this point, another one there and another one right there, and on the right side as well at this point, and another one at the back and a smaller one at the corner and at the lower part of the mouth as well. Now a curved line at this side and another curved line at this point. Now for his horn, I'm gonna add a curved line up from this point and sharp turn back up to the side, and a curved line at this side and then a semicircle line at this corner, and a curved line at the bottom point, and also the top point right there, and a semicircle line at the side. And for the horn, I'm going to draw a curved line up and a sharp turn back down to the base. Now for his hair, I'm going to draw from the middle point of his forehead a curved line to the back, and sharp turn back down, and another piece of hair at the back with a curved line, sharp turn back down, and another one with a tip at the back of the horn right there, and another one right there. Now for his nostril, I'm gonna add a sharp line right there and a curved line at this side, and then below the head I'm gonna draw his arm, and I'm gonna draw the ring around the wrist with a semicircle line and turn it to the right and slightly up. Now I'm gonna draw another semicircle line right here and another one right there with, and at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right and a semicircle line at that point and a curved line, and then I'm gonna add a triangular shape for the nails and a semicircle line at this corner and extend it back to the left and a semicircle turn to that point. I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other finger as well. And for the right hand, I'm gonna add a curved line from this point out, and then a semicircle line at that point, and another one, and a curved line to the elbow at this point. Now for the arms on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point to the right and turn it diagonally up at the shoulder, and I'm gonna add a semicircle line across at this point and another one above it, and end it with a semicircle turn at this point. And then at this corner I'm gonna add a line up, and we're gonna trace the same semicircle line across back there. I'm gonna add a triangular shape at this point with a circular base. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and at this point right here, and we're gonna add the same shape around this bangle as well, and a triangular shape at this corner. Now around his neck he would have a similar shape as well, so I'm gonna draw a similar ring around the neck. On the left side I'm gonna draw from this point a diagonal curved line down and a semicircle turn back to the right and extend it all the way to the wrist. At this point I'm gonna draw the similar ring shape as well. Then below the arms I'm gonna add a curved line across and turn it up with a semicircle line at the corner, and below that I'm gonna add a curved line down and a similar shape across with a semicircle turn at the side, and at the bottom I'm gonna stretch it out in the middle, down and back up at the side. Now below this arm ring, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and at the back of his head I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and another curved line out at this point, and turn it down at the sides. And for the turtle shell behind his back, I'm going to draw across a curved line all the way to the lower point at the back right there. And I'm going to add a semicircle line and a curved line across and a semicircle line at the other side. And I'm going to add a triangular shape on top of that. I'm going to copy the same shape at the back of his body right there. And for his legs, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line out, and I'm gonna make a turn down to the side. And at this point, a curved line to the side and down, and another curved line at the heels and turn it towards the right, and another curved line at that point. And for the nails, I'm gonna draw a circular line right there and a curved line out right there, and a curved line at the side and turn it up. And I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other nails. And then in the middle of the leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point towards the legs, and behind the leg I'm gonna continue that line, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back towards the knee, and I'm gonna add two spikes above the tail. Now I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the left side.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!